Imagine a power, a subtle influence, whispered through history, capable of bending others' perceptions to your very will. A secret, almost forgotten, from the pages of time. Tonight, we uncover the Ben Franklin effect, the dark art of making anyone like you. Conventional wisdom dictates, do favors, earn affection. But what if that common belief was fundamentally flawed? What if asking for a favor makes them like you more? This is the Ben Franklin effect, named after its uncanny discoverer. Franklin once disarmed a formidable political rival, not by showering him with kindness, but by a strategic request. He asked to borrow a rare, valuable book. The rival complied, and their animosity began to dissolve. Why? The answer lies deep within cognitive dissonance. Our minds crave consistency, a seamless narrative. When we perform a favor for someone, our brain confronts a paradox. Why did I help this person? I must like them. We subconsciously rationalize our actions by retroactively assigning positive feelings. It's a subtle manipulation of self-perception, not just external influence. How do you wield this potent, psychological power? The key is the precise nature of the request itself. It must be small, undemanding, effortlessly fulfilled. A simple pen, a brief piece of advice, a quick, casual opinion. Never ask for something significant or overly burdensome. That breeds resentment, not the desired affection. The request must also be sincere or appear utterly genuine. A true appeal, however minor, creates the crucial bond. This method works in professional settings, subtly, to soften a difficult colleague, to build rapport with a new client, even in personal relationships, to bridge unexpected divides. Use it wisely. For influence, yes, but never exploitation. The Ben Franklin effect is a chilling testament to human psychology's depths. A quiet, profound force waiting for you to understand it. It's not about forcing allegiance, but subtly shaping perception. Now, you hold this ancient, potent knowledge. The power to turn adversaries into allies or strangers into friends. Will you use it? Or let it remain a secret of the past? The choice, as always, is profoundly yours.